Hey guys, so today we are actually gonna take you with us just to see what we're gonna do on this rainy Saturday here in Miami. Yep, let's go. Safety first, and we also need to put on some jams before we hit the road. Really, should we put the top down?
Let's put the top down.
So we're gonna find somewhere to eat and then we'll go from there. See you guys later.
I can't deal with our country music. Look at me that way. The sky just looks so black. Whoa, whoa. Put your hands up. Ladies, let them know that you love. Look around. No, put the fucking cover up. Oh my god. That's it, we just got soaked. Look at Lissy, she's soaking wet.
I'm fucking,
Look at drenched.
look at my interior.
Oh my god.
Is my back wet?
Yes. Oh my god.
Dude, this is extremely upsetting. Very.
Don't try this at home. Dude, literally. So pouring, it just started pouring on us.
We gotta have like Chipotle napkins.
It'll dry. It's okay. No. How are we gonna get off the car?
We're not.
How are we getting off the car?
I'm gonna buy an umbrella. Like this, it's gonna smell bad.
I thought leather just dried.
I don't know, but
I thought how about you dry your face?
I don't care about my face, I care about my car. Oh, look at my back seat. There's like a puddle.
Dude, literally.
Legit a puddle in my back seat.
Oh my god.
And I usually keep the phone here. Alright guys, so I finally found a parking spot. And now I am walking into the mall. What's it?
Are you ready? Oh, I see. Hello.
Are you?
No problem. Milady.
Thank you. So let's buy our tickets.
But we're going to P.F. Chang's, right?
Ooh. Yes.
I really want some P.F. Chang's.
Hell yeah. So this is really gonna be awkward to film because there's so many people here.
So many people in the mall.
There's like a lot.
So since this is our first vlog
In public.
in public, we actually have people staring at us.
Which is really uncomfortable. Like everyone, look at Chipromania. Like I'm so awkward.
So now we're gonna go look at the movie time, see at what time The Incredibles play.
Yes. And then we're gonna go have some P.F. Chang's. And then we're gonna watch the movie and then let's see what we end up doing after. Thank you, friend. So I think we're gonna end up watching
Ocean's 8.
yeah, because we didn't know it was out. Fun fact, we used to work here.
Oh yeah.
Long time ago.
Alright, so we just got our tickets.
Super excited. We ended up picking Ocean's 8.
Ocean's 8.
Oh, that's super suburban, I told you.
You remember when Dolphin what?
Used to be like, this is where we used to come to hang out and
Bro, this was our spot when we were like 16.
16?
15?
Like 13, 14, 15, 16, yeah.
Oh, you mean like when we actually used to come to hang out here?
Yeah, like that was in middle school.
Oh yeah, no, I was like 12.
Oh my god, so many memories here.
So many memories.
Some good, some bad.
Some illegal.
Some not.
We used to be bad kids.
Bad to the bone.
Bad. We were bad to the bone. Damn.
I don't know, I feel like we were bad, but we had good intentions.
we're just bad kids. Like
Normal stuff.
yeah, I feel like kids
At least normal Miami stuff. So now we are here at PF Chang's. Yay! So we decided we did not want to wait, so we came to the car. And now we're gonna order food. Oh my god. So we just finished eating.
that was amazing. I love that.
So now we still have an hour before our movie starts. So we're gonna do some shopping.
Yes.
God, it's so fucking cold.
We almost got bribed.
Almost, but we won't let it happen. So we're here actually really looking for a sweater, but I mean,
She has a shopping addiction, so
anything's
not gonna
possible.
happen.
Anything could happen. Oh, look right here, look, sale.
She has a problem. Rude people.
I know. Like the polka dot one better? Stop, you're judging me right now.
Bárbara. Oh my god, nuestra mesera fue Bárbara también.
That's a good sign.
Oh, no hay algún número con ese. Yo cogí, y doy suerte, hoy me saqué $100 en un raspadito.
Oh.
$100 en la mañana. Fui a raspar un for life y todos tenían 20, 5, 5, 5. ¡Wow!
Oh my god, there's something with Bárbara today.
Sí, péguense que yo doy buena suerte.
Oh my god, yes.
Bárbara,
Give me some of your good
La
luck.
quiero.
Bye. She's nice. Something about Barbara's today.
Yeah, that's weird. If I spend $75, I get the free bag.
Did you guys just hear her? She's like, if I spend $75, I get the free bag. Do you know how many bags she has? It's a problem. It's a problem. You don't need another bag.
But it was so fuzzy and pink.
Alright, so let me see. Let's see what you got here.
So I got these cute little like pajama shorts.
Okay.
They look so comfy.
They do.
Then I got this like tee.
To match the shorts.
No, I can wear this as a dress.
Oh yeah, you can wear that as a dress.
But it also matches this thing. How
Okay.
cute is that? Look. Okay. And then my sweater for now.
How much is totally?
I don't know. I'm
What?
a little sad that I stopped shopping.
So,
Can we go somewhere else? We still have like an hour.
So we just finished. She bought a sweater and some PJs.
You can never have too many PJs.
I have like 3 PJs honestly, and they're all t-shirts. we want something sweet. What should we get? Give it a thumbs up if you think we should get.
If you haven't already, if you're already liking this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment.
Yep. We're not done though.
Keep watching.
Okay, we wanted something sweet.
We're gonna get. Let's go to the concession stand and see what we can find.
Okay, let's go. Yada yada yada.
Okay, let's go. Where is our movie theater?
Do we just all sit in there? 4:35.
Yeah, I'll take a nap.
Do you have the movie tickets?
Yes, I do. Readily available. Okay, so we have a little confession to make. We bought children tickets.
Say it a little louder for the LNA view family, whatever the fuck. I said it totally wrong.
Okay. Hello.
Hi, how are you guys?
Good, how are you?
Which one are you heading to?
What is it called? Ocean's 8.
Right this way.
Ocean's 8.
Look this way.
We're getting escorted to our movie. Yes.
Dirty clean.
Oh, okay,
Awesome.
perfect.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you.
All
Love
right.
your name.
Thank you, ma'am. It's from the Bible, actually.
Wow.
Actually, no. My actual name is Angela.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Love it.
Hey movie fans, I'm Ethan.
Love it. Okay.
Newbie Arcade is the
Here, right?
turn this big screen in front of you.
Okay, so we are the first ones here in the movie. Wait, they changed the seats.
Search Newbie Arcade to download.
Excited?
Savage.
I've been dying to watch this movie.
Me too.
Ocean's 8 with Sandra Bullock, Rihanna.
Oh my god.
Hopefully, cheers. Hopefully we don't get any ideas.
Right?
So we just finished the movie Ocean's 8. It was
Inspirational.
super inspirational.
It was actually really, really good though.
It was really good. I really liked it.
Yeah.
It was inspirational. It might not have been inspirational to you, but it was very inspirational to me. Alright, so we go fucking straight. Go outside because it's so cold. Or what do you want to do?
We could.
Okay, so now we're leaving the mall, heading back home.
We're gonna call it a day. The mall's really packed, so we're not feeling it. And
Not feeling it at all. Kind of tired. Probably gonna take a nap.
I honestly fell asleep in the first 10 minutes of the movie.
Shut the fuck up.
Like this, I was like, just like,
Yeah, so we're just gonna
we're just,
call it a day. Yeah, so we're just gonna go home and relax. Probably take a nap.
Yeah, I'm really tired from today.
Yeah, we had a pretty productive day. We ate. We went to the movies.
What did we do?
We
in
did
the
some
morning?
shopping. In the morning, what did we do in the morning?
Not much.
Yeah, not much. But yeah, alright guys. This was a day in the life with us.
Yes.
So
Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And we will have another video coming out soon.
catch you guys later.
Okay, ready? Oh shit.
Sport mode.
Thank you. Wait for it.
Oh. A little boom boom.
What it takes to come alive.